Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I am not in my kitchen. I am in beautiful Thailand and I am visiting an island called Cookbooks, and I'm going to be staying at Soneva Kiri, which is a beautiful resort. I'm very excited to be here, and I've come here with two of my sisters, so you might see a glimpse of them in the coming videos. It's just a sister's trip, but I just wanted to say that I am here also to cook 3 dinners for some special guests, and obviously because I love you guys so much, I'm going to share how I'm going about it, behind the scenes, prepping the food and serving it. So hope you are going to enjoy this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Okay, so time to get to work and let's start cooking. Hey guys, so you know I am here at Soneva Kiri, and I've arrived 2 days ago, which has been lovely. The weather, can't complain, can I? I'm having a great time, and I brought along my 2 sisters, my older sister and my younger sister, and we've been having a lovely time. But from today I get to work, and for the next 3 days I will be cooking dinners for the guests here. And obviously I'm cooking everything from my books. A lot of the stuff is from Chetna's Indian Feast, and I'm very excited. I've just been in the kitchen. I'm completely sweaty because I started cooking this morning. I'm just taking a coffee break, so I thought I'll say hello and brief you about what this video is about. So hope you will enjoy it. But look, my coffee break is just here. This is my coffee break place. It's just amazing, actually. Look at that. How cool is that? So I've got a extensive menu, quite long, and I'm cooking everything from scratch. I just wanted to show you the tamarind, because the tamarind grows here. It's all so fresh, so mushy, and I just soaked it in some water and it's become all pulpy. And I'm making everything from the chutneys fresh, everything. We've just started cooking. I've got Chef Ram helping me, and this is looking absolutely fantastic. So as you can imagine, I have to do a chicken curry, and that looks and smells incredible. I'm completely wet with sweat. I am sweating from my head down. But it's just wonderful being in this kitchen and cooking. I'm a happy place. That's it. Okay. So we made the aubergine, peanut aubergine, spicy garlic chicken ready. The tikkis are kind of semi-prepared. The pulao is ready. I'm just prepping the onions for the prawn curry, and I'm just going to make some pakoras. I've also cooked a beautiful chickpea paneer curry, one of my favorite dishes. So I'm just making the pakoras right here. Just rolling them out. It's a beautiful pastry with lots of spices. Lovely. That's the fresh tamarind chutney being strained now. I started this morning straight after breakfast, and I've cooked every single thing from the 3 starters to the 10 mains and the pudding. And now I've got a 1-hour break I'm too hot to sit down for lunch. So I'm gonna, I need to cool down before the service. So I am going to take a little dip. God, this is so surreal. This is so fantastic and surreal. Look, I'm just gonna take a quick dip right here, and then I'm gonna go back to the kitchen to finish off. Right, we have arrived at the kitchen garden. There are lots of things growing here, from chilies to some salad, some flowers for the desserts. There's bananas. Look at that, bananas. It's herbs. So they have everything.
Sometimes they don't like, they don't eat. Some season they come to eat everything.
So this is cacao trees, and they've got beans, they've got lots of Thai basil, they've got lemons, they've got tamarind growing, they've got tons of, like I said, banana trees, lots of medicinal kind of plants, and also they've got pandan leaves, which is so lovely. This whole space is so dreamy, beautiful, and their pastry chef is picking up some flowers for her desserts. How cool is it?
Yeah, we use for breakfast organic eggs.
Wow, that's a little chicken farm.
Yeah.
Called Villa 99 actually.
Yeah, called Villa 99.
The number of villa.
Ah, there it is, Villa 99, and they use the eggs for the breakfast and kind of their menu, all organic. So we're all set for service. All ready and prepped. And this is the lovely kitchen scene. Move from downstairs to upstairs, and we're gonna just serve all the lovely, fresh, delicious food that we prepared. So while I am all set up here, the tables have started to kind of, they're preparing to put all the tables outside where the guests will sit. Just look at that. Oh, I wouldn't want to go back, would I? Just amazing, beautiful, beautiful place. And that is the menu right there, looking glorious. So the first dish on the menu is cauliflower pakoras. So we're just crisping them up so we can serve them with a sweet chili sauce. So that is the cauliflower pakora with sweet chili sauce, ready to go out. Cauliflower pakora with sweet chili sauce. Enjoy. Thank you. That's the second course going out, which is smashed tikkis, which I have loved making throughout this season actually. It's a really lovely recipe. So this is rounded. So this is smashed aloo tikki with tamarind chutney and coriander chutney.
Thank you.
Next dish going out is papri chaat. So we made the papris this morning, and now we're finishing it with some yogurt and coriander chutney and tamarind chutney. And here is your papri chaat. Enjoy. Moving on to the main course, we've got chicken curry, we've got prawn curry, paneer, chickpea, potato curry, aubergine peanut, peas pulao, and now I'm going to fry off some piping hot puris.
Chef coming to serve into you.
This is so much food, chef.
Enjoy. Malai prawn curry, that is garlic and chili chicken curry, that is aubergine peanut curry, that is roasted tomato raita, pea pulao, that's my favorite, chickpea, paneer and potato curry, and masala puri. Oh no! It's day 2 of the supper club, and supper club or dinner, I don't know. And I'm very excited to cook another meal, another dinner altogether. This sound that you can hear, ee, this is all natural sound. It's some kind of birds or insects or something. It's just amazing. Look, my walk to work. I prepped with Chef Ron this morning. We've done all the prep. So it's just about getting to the dining area and setting it all up. And I'm quite excited. Right, I am off to cook my last dinner here at Soneva, Kiri. I'm really looking forward to, how beautiful is it? I'm really looking forward to cooking this meal. I'm a little bit sad that that I won't be cooking tomorrow. I've really enjoyed these dinners, and the guests have been so lovely and so sweet, and looks like they've been enjoying the food, so yeah, that's always a bonus. Yeah, let's get to cook.